Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new, make sure that you subscribe, that way you're never going to miss out on a video like this one. Today we're going to be talking about spiritual salts. There's a lot of spiritual salts out there. There's love spiritual salt, there's protection spiritual salt, there's money, there's come to me, there is road to success. There's so many, every worker has their own salt, and sometimes you create your own salt as well. So there's plenty of different kinds of spiritual salts out there. And what is a spiritual salt? Of course, I wrote my notes down here, but basically, spiritual salt is a salt mixed with herbs, oils, roots, whatever else, crushed up, mixed in there in order for that intention to be infused into that salt. So you could use that salt in your bath, you could use it on your property, you could use it on candles, you could use it as a floor mop, boil it, use it as a spray in your house. There is so many uses for the salt, according to what the intention is. So in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to use the salt in 3 different ways. And this could go for basically any kind of salt you have, but 3 ways to use these spiritual salts, because we buy these, right? And by the way, I do sell them on my shop. I have my own spiritual salt. I have plenty of them on my shop. If you guys are interested, head over. I'm always having sales, but I think I have a love one, I have protection, I have money, and I integrate them out, and new ones coming in every once in a while according to the moon phases and all of that stuff. So head over to my shop for all of that. But you can also make this at home, or you could purchase it from someone else. But with that being said, let's get into 3 ways you can use basically any spiritual salt. The first salt I want to talk about is love salt. Now you can get this on my Etsy shop if you guys are interested, but love salt is basically to remove obstacles when it comes to love. It's cleansing, it's purifying, specifically for love energy, romance, lust, and relationships. Now, what you want to do is sprinkle this a little teeny bit around your bed, okay? Or you can take a bath with this. You can actually throw this a little tiny bit in your bath. You can also boil it, wait for it to cool down, and use it as a rinse after your shower or your bath, but don't wash it off. Another thing you could do is keep a pink or a red candle and light it on top of the salt. Just keep an eye on it because there's herbs involved and you don't want anything to catch on fire. Okay, you can also write the names of the parties involved, your name, your target's name, or if it's just for you, you just write your name. And another thing you could do is keep a bowl of this. Like I have this in a really cute bowl. And I love to get all of my bowls and stuff from the thrift store, you guys. A lot of you guys love my bowls. That's where I get it. I get it from the thrift store. And I come home and I clean it and I cleanse it and I use it. They're beautiful. Where can you get things like this? But you're going to keep a bowl of love salt in the southwest corner of your home or the southwest corner of your bedroom. A little tiny bowl. And that's it. The next salt I want to talk about is black protection salt. This you can also find on my Etsy shop, but this is something that's very powerful and it's used in several different ways for protection of your property, your relationships, your finances, your career. It's for spiritual protection of everything in your life. So what you're going to want to do is sprinkle this a little bit on every corner of your property, the 4 corners of your property, okay? Now, the next thing you could do is sprinkle just a line like this across your front door and your back door so that your entrance of your home is protected no matter who comes in and out. Sometimes we have mail people, plumbers, or landlord, whatever, right? Family members coming in and out of your house. So what you want to do is just sprinkle it so the energy is protected. And it keeps negative energies away. Now, the last thing you could do, this is one of my favorite ways to use this, is you keep it in a bowl and you can actually light your incense on it. So you can stick the stick in there and light your incense in it. And when you feel ready, you can throw all this away. You want to throw it away in the garbage can outside of your house. You don't want to throw it away in the garbage can inside your house. So when you light a few incense, it's covered with ash. You can throw it away, or you can mix the ash in there and use it for about 30 days, I would say, a whole moon phase, and then throw it outside. Okay? The third salt I want to teach you guys how to use is money salt. Now, some people's money salt looks green. Mine is actually money mixed with oud. This is my oud salt. And if you guys are familiar with oud oil, it's very, very powerful for manifesting, attracting money. It's very lucky and it's very sacred, very divine. And so if you guys purchase this from my shop, it's oud, but it's also for money. But if you have your money salt, you can use that too. Money salt is basically to remove the obstacles and blockages from your money energy, your career, your finances, your wallet, your bank account. So what you're going to do is keep a bowl, and you can keep coins in it, you can keep cash in it, you can keep your wallet on it, you can keep your debit cards, your financial documents near it. You can also light a green, gold, or yellow candle on it. Just make sure you don't leave it unattended because we are dealing with herbs. And the last way you can actually use it is to sprinkle it around your home. When you sprinkle it around your home, you're increasing the vibration of the money energy, increasing the vibration of luck. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know which one you're going to use and why would you use that one versus another one. I'm very curious. I personally love to use salt in my incense burners. I love to sprinkle it around my property. There's so many uses. You can use it in your bath, depending on what kind of salt it is. But with that being said, head over to my Patreon, you guys. I have over 300 videos there that you can't get here on YouTube. I have a book on Amazon that you can get 30 ways to manifest, and read the reviews because the reviews are really good on my book. I'm very proud of it, and I'm very happy for all of you guys who bought it and left the reviews. And head over to my shop because I have new items there all the time, and we have sales all the time. And I'll see you there. Bye.